all the main trails I've been showing you so many times. Now it's a time to go into the jungle a little bit deeper. So what I'm actually planning is to, like in a previous episode, I don't know which one was that doesn't matter. So in a previous episode I told you that there is a canyon and I would like to discover a little bit more about it. So that's what I'm going to do. So now I'm heading to the as far the road is going, and then I will hike all the way up to the beginning of the canyon. Another day when I was hiking in the mountains, I heard there is some waterfall. Is it a waterfall or not? That's what I'm going to check out. See you later. I think I started too late. The rain started already. It's okay. Who cares? The rain is pretty heavy. All the trail becomes like a, like a small spring. But anyway, I'm going anyway, so I'm not going to stop. Actually quite deep. Look at me, and if I would go there, then it would be even more deep. Let's try to get out of this place. See what's up there. Very excited actually. What I would like to say, it's an insanely beautiful place. Really steep falls, as you can see here. Just look on my back. It's an amazing place. Look at this! Wow! I found a waterfall! Isn't it amazing? Ah, that's so cool! didn't expect to see something like this. So from the place where the waterfall, I took the trailer and get off here. Wow, that's incredible! Back at home. That was super good hike. I found there are 2 big waterfalls. The rest is really like different levels. A lot of water today. Yeah, just because it was rainy, and I think that was actually good that there was a lot of water, so then I was able to see how beautiful can be. I don't think it's beautiful without the water, so I got a really dope episode. Okay, enjoy. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, follow on Instagram and Facebook, and see you tomorrow again. Bye.